Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Firebase Cloud Messaging push notifications in Flutter easy tutorial step by step clearly. To set up Firebase Cloud Messaging in your Flutter project, start by navigating to the Firebase console. Create a new project if you don't have one already. Once your project is created, click on the settings gear icon next to Project Overview. Select Project Settings from the drop-down menu. Scroll down to the Your Apps section and click on Add App. Choose the Flutter icon to add a new application. Follow the prompts to register your app, entering your app's package name. After registering, download the Google Services.json file. Place this file in the Android/app directory of your Flutter project. Next, open the Android/build.gradle file. Add the Google Services class path in the Dependencies section. In Android/app/build.gradle, apply the Google Services plugin at the bottom of the file. Now, ensure you have the required Firebase dependencies in your pubspec.yaml. Add the Firebase_core and Firebase_messaging packages. Run Flutter pub-get to install the new dependencies. Next, initialize Firebase in your Flutter application. Open the main.dart file and import the necessary Firebase packages. In the main function, call widgets Flutter binding.ensure initialized. Then, initialize Firebase by adding await Firebase.initializeApp. For handling background notifications, create a custom message handler. Define a function to process the incoming messages when the app is in the background or terminated. Make sure to set up the appropriate notification channel in your Android project. In Android manifest.xml, add the necessary permissions for internet access and receiving messages. Configure FCM settings with a unique sender ID and notification title. Next, implement the logic for sending a push notification by using the Firebase console. From the console, navigate to the Cloud Messaging section. Click on Send Your First Message, fill in the details, and select your app. Send the message and verify that your device receives the notification. Test the functionality by sending different types of notifications to check for proper handling in various app states. With these steps, you have successfully integrated Firebase Cloud Messaging into your Flutter app. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.